You're doing a project for your online class? That's cool. I just read a research paper on project-based learning versus traditional. It was interesting. They wanted to know if students understood as well after doing an online project-based learning versus a class that had to deal with, I don't know, PowerPoints and tests. They took 4 sections of a health class, and they decided that it was going to be a sample of convenience, just whoever showed up, that's who got the project-based learning, and 2 sections got the traditional learning, and they didn't tell them what was going on. Real nice. They used a diet and disease assessment for content knowledge, and they used a self-directed learning readiness motivational assessment to figure out, did they like what they were doing? I hope you liked what you were doing. However, these researchers found that there was literally no difference in content knowledge between project-based learning and traditional learning. What they did find is that the project-based learning group spent more time online. Weird.